To use the cleanser, pump a small amount of the cream into your hands. So take a small amount of the cleanser on your hand and gently massage into your skin. You'll find that the shea butter and cocoa butter help to lift off any of the makeup and impurities on your skin. Then take some damp cotton pads with warm water and gently swipe them across your face to remove all traces of the cleanser. You'll find that this even removes stubborn eye makeup. So after wiping away all of the cleanser with the cotton pads, you'll see my skin is nice and clear, feeling balanced but not too tight or dry, and I'm ready to start with my next product.